to Juno's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. You know your girl loves dancing in the kitchen. Here I am going to show you how to make a sour cream chocolate caramel delight with strawberry touch. How is that? That mix is what makes this cake. Let's see how I made this. Here are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have 4 eggs there, pure vanilla extract, milk chocolate, sea salt, caramel. As you can see there, I used 8 blocks. I have semi-sweet chocolate, sour cream, brown sugar, 1.5 blocks of butter, and I am gonna start putting everything together. Here I'm mixing both the sea salt caramel and chocolate. I melted first. I used the microwave for that. Just melt them a little bit, not a bit too much, and just stir because you wanna use it when it's like cool, like not too hot. After finishing this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This helps this channel grow. Thank you, and let's continue watching.